Good morning, this is the gold chart, and gold has done exactly what we thought it was going to do. Gold does classic patterns, okay? And what gold does is it has a big move down or a big move up, wherever it's going from. And what it does, you saw on this week that the market did not like it down at 1160. Well, we know it doesn't. So up it goes, but you've had these weeks where it's just done nothing. That's gold. That's how it trades. That's how the big gold traders that I personally know, that is how they trade. They watch it. It goes up and down. It dicks about, and then it makes the break. Now you could tell it was making the break because if you look at the weekly indicators and the weekly charts, when we were coming down on this move down from 1360, you could see the market start to turn, and it started to turn here, okay, on that little bar there. Now the problem with buying gold, I did buy gold at the time, I did, but you have all these little bases, but it doesn't break the line, okay? It stays within the line. You have 1180 that we knew was support anyway, so all this is what we call a congestion sideways move. Now, if it was anything else, you would say it's going to stay trading lower. The difference with gold when it does these weird and wonderful things is this week here, as I said to you, right? It didn't like it. So let's look at it on a daily basis. And that is your classic gold, okay? That's what it does. It does nothing, and then it moves. And when it, by the time it moved, you know, up to here, you know, if I hadn't have seen this bar that created that week, this is a basing bar, okay? We go down, we make a new low, not a new all-time low, obviously, but for this particular run, we make a low, we go up, we can't quite get up there, we can't quite make it, and then we're back down in that range again. We make the break on the downside, but not really doing much. Doesn't really break below that 1182. And when it does, it just bolts straight back. And that is your key to gold. Alright? It's when it does this sort of action after this sort of pattern with all these indicators. Gold can only go one way, and gold went up. Now, where do we expect it to go to? I like 1233, as you know. 1233, 1234 is one of my little levely things that I look at. And with this gold now, what I'm seeing is you've got this. Then Friday, we had a bit of a down day. Fridays is useless for doing anything anyway, but we had a bit of a down day on Friday, okay? But as long as we can stay trading around this area, we don't really want to see it back down below 208, but as long as we can maintain above this sort of area, gold will trade higher, and it will trade to 1240, and we look again and see what it does there. I personally think gold could be on a bit of a roll at the moment, but we'll be conservative. We'll say 1240 on the top side, so you know it's around there, 1237, 1238, and then if we break 1242, we've got that 1260 area that, you know, we should aim for. And even if we do aim for that, it's still only 50% of the move lower. Okay, but at the moment we are in a buy dip scenario on gold. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow.